Hey y'all, I'm Rhonda. Welcome back to my kitchen. If you love easy recipes and some fancy little kitchen doodads or gadgets, this video is for you. Today we are excited because we have partnered with Typhur. They have sent us this Typhur Sync Oven that just does all kind of fancy things, y'all. And we are going to be cooking our supper and trying it out and seeing what this old girl's got. So we got the package. It was packaged nicely, and this is what comes with it. We've got little pans here. We've got a crumb pan. We've got a roasting pan. Y'all, you can cook a whole chicken in this thing, a whole 6-pound chicken. We've got the rack here, and of course the air fry. I don't want to make too much racket there. The air fry basket come with a handy dandy little oven mitt. And this little wireless probe, y'all. It's got the little probe in it. Takes 3 minutes to charge this up. And it'll last 3.5 hours. But we are going to be showing y'all this oven. And it's also got a little magnetic place up here that sits on. How about that? It's got a fancy app that you can just look at. It's got AI on the app, y'all.
It's crazy.
It is insane. We are so excited about this. You can just type in.
I can't wait to show y'all this.
Yes, we'll show you. But you can just type in what you want, what you're looking for. Honey will give you a recipe, tell you how long to cook it, and even start it up for you.
It'll send it to the oven.
Yes, it will, y'all.
I've never seen anything like it.
It's crazy. But so we've got the smart app. It's got 12 functions. We've got bake, roast, air fry, toast, preheat, dehydrate. I'm excited about that because y'all know I like to dehydrate things. Proof and keep warm. I mean, anything that you want to do. It's got preset buttons to do cookies. We're going to be doing some cookies. And bagel, toast. I'm telling y'all, it's got everything. So this is large, y'all. Look at that. You can make a 6-pound chicken, like I said earlier, a 12-inch pizza. It is huge. Nice for the family. And it'll hold a casserole dish and 6 slices of bread. So that is your family size sink oven. And it's easy to clean to boot. You can just wipe it out. So we are going to get started with our supper. You ready for this, Russell?
I am.
Let's
do it.
Let's do it. So, and y'all, this is so easy to pair. You just go to download the app for Typhur, which we already had. And you are just going to find your Typhur Sync Oven. And you will just hold the power button down for 3 seconds. And voila, it is paired. So mine's on there and ready to go. Very simple to use. All right, y'all. I did a little prep. We've got our steaks here, honey, looking just sweet as can be. We got them all seasoned up, and you season them how you want yours. Now, we love these little potatoes, y'all. You see it's got some little seasoning in it. And I've already cooked these a few minutes. Now, my potato, this bag, the steam bag, is just 8 minutes. So that's what I did. And all this coming out here. Let's just get that up. All right. So we are going to have some steak and some smashed potatoes. Now, when I put this in my little app on the AI, it tells you everything. It tells you what tray to cook it on, what setting, and how to do it. And all we've got to do is hit start, and it's going to send the cook time to this, and we'll show y'all. So we're so excited.
It's crazy.
It is.
It gives you the recipe.
Everything.
It tells you what to put on it.
Yes.
I mean, obviously you don't have to follow everything because the potatoes are a little different because we had them in the bag. But
yep.
I mean, it's crazy.
It is so. It's I'm gonna be like my mom and she say, "You're too smart for your own good."
I mean, it almost is. It really, I mean, it's like almost like what?
So here's what we're doing, y'all. I told Russ just now. Here's my little fancy tater masher. Okay, we're just gonna mash them down just like so. It works just fine.
We smashing them.
We smashed them, and it's even got a little whatever on the end.
Yeah.
This old cup is an old cup. You know what else it's good for? Making a pretty print in some cookies.
Oh.
It really does.
Some fanciness.
Fancy Nancy, honey.
Oh, nice. I like it.
Yes. So I think this is going to be enough taters for us. So,
sounds good.
Yes. And I'm just going to sprinkle a little seasoning. Now it says to use your olive oil. Sprinkle it with a little olive oil. And it's supposed to just crisp these up like it knows, okay, this is potatoes. We're gonna do it this way. It's supposed to be smart like that, y'all. We're going to see if it really is. And then we're going to put these steaks on there. These nice ribeyes. Yeah. Scoot them over just a little bit.
Do a little arranging.
I thought about separating it with some aluminum foil or something, but I didn't.
That'll be all right.
It's going to be just fine. Surely will. All right, we're going to turn it on. We've not did this, so now that's what it's preset at. So whenever we take the probe out, we're gonna hit start cooking. Y'all see that? Now we're gonna look over here. We gotta take the probe out. Aha! Look at there, y'all. Look at that. Now.
I want to zoom in because we got it set for 130.
Yep.
And medium. And that's what it said that's what we asked for in the AI, y'all.
Yes.
So if we had it for medium rare or well, whatever we asked for, that's what it would have come up as. That is crazy.
It is. And yes, you can, that's another thing with the presets. You can do rare, medium well done.
That's crazy. It's amazing.
Just name it. Just say what you want to do. So we've got the probe in up to the line. And I guess she's ready to go.
She's ready to go.
All right. We're going to stick it in there. And the way it goes, so we just hit start. But look at there, y'all. She's off. Now, it will automatically know when it's done. Y'all, it was 14 minutes. 14 minutes. It dinged on the phone.
We had thought it was going to be way longer than that.
We just like done got comfortable.
Yeah, we just sat down. That thing said ding.
Yes. And we're like, ain't no way. We come checked it. Russ done got his own.
I got the other probe out and checked it. It was done.
He said, nope, it was done. So,
yeah, and them potatoes look delicious.
Yes, look.
Oh, crispy.
Crispy. Now, let me tell you what I'm going to do. So, we are going to sear these in my cast iron because we just like a pretty
little crust. Yeah.
Just a little crust
just to put a crust on.
But look at this. I mean, you don't have to.
No, it's ready to eat. It really is.
Now, they say if you're going to sear it, it cooked at 10 degrees
less. That's why we cooked it to 130.
That's right. And it knows it is just like, hey. So I'm going to take this little probe out. Woo, my fingers are steel. We'll give that a wash in a little bit. I'm going to add some little cheese on these potatoes. And I got some little carrots here with a little glaze. And I'm going to sit these right here because I didn't want to have it in the juice there because this has got a little glaze on it. I'm going to put the cheese on and we're going to cook these and cook these together while I'm searing the steak. And we're going to have supper ready. Oh yeah, she hot. All right, y'all. Supper compliments of Typhur Sync Oven. Give these a little stir here.
Man,
Yummy, yummy.
it smells delicious. I'm ready to get in it.
Look, these are crispy. They're soft in the middle.
What?
Cheesy on top. A little crisp going on, honey. We about to have some good supper. All right, I'm going to plate it up and we're going to give it a taste. All right, y'all, the true test.
Yeah.
Tasting time.
Yeah, I'm curious to see what the steak looks like.
Looks
She
good.
medium.
Looks good.
She definitely medium.
I can't believe it cooked that fast, y'all. Oh,
It tastes really good.
good.
Tender.
And so 14, 15, 16, 17 minutes, y'all, for steak supper. You really can't beat that, can you?
No, you cannot.
Now, I did pre-cook the potatoes a little and the carrots. I always like
In the bag.
Yes, in the bag. Throw it in the bag, honey, and you can... Listen, I didn't even have time to go do a chore. I didn't have time to do laundry or nothing.
Second we sat down, it was like, ding,
we said,
it's
oh,
ready.
no.
I'm like, what in the world?
That can't be.
They crispy, cheesy. What? Hey.
Right. Y'all know I love me some taters. Ooh,
They're delicious.
good old taters. He get making that steak, y'all.
Well, you know, you have to sample
Look at
both ends.
that.
Look at her. That is perfectly medium. Look at that.
It is. A little pink.
It's perfect.
It is, y'all.
Hey.
The pro didn't lie.
It don't.
It didn't
That's
lie.
what it does its job, y'all. Wow.
I can't believe it, y'all. Listen, she's smart. Listen back here. She's smart. Wow.
AI. I mean, that's
You can't get any easier than that. Typing something in, putting it in your phone, and it going straight.
well, it gives you the recipe, measurements. I mean,
What more do you want? Maybe
Look,
you can buy it.
we want y'all to
Buy
not
the food.
not turn us off because we want y'all to watch our channel because we get recipes. But hey,
Truthfully,
it's a great oven for real.
it is. And y'all know we don't promote anything we don't believe
That's
in.
exactly right. If you
That
watch
is
our
the
channel,
truth.
you know we
Very selective.
exactly right. So
Mm-hmm.
you know, this is a great product, and Typhur is a great brand, and yeah, fantastic.
Check them out, and guess what? We have a little code you can use. Get
We do.
10% off, Rhonda 10. So while you're looking, don't forget to use the promo code.
Right.
And
Oh, we have a little bit more to come in this
we
video.
do.
Too.
I have one more thing to cook, y'all.
Yeah, we're gonna do a
Dessert.
little bit more. Yep.
You
we got
can't
around.
have-
We got around 2.
You can't. Yes.
Yeah, we can't have steak and all this without a
No,
dessert. So
you
we're
gotta
gonna
have
do
a
we're gonna do a little bit
little
more.
something sweet.
Yeah. Show y'all a little another feature on it.
But we are going to eat this.
Yeah,
while
we're
it's
gonna eat
hot.
supper while it's hot. So we'll be back after
Be
supper
right
and show
back.
y'all a little bit more.
We'll be right back. All right, y'all. Part 2, dessert.
Welcome back.
Welcome back. So I have made up a little bit of oatmeal raisin cookies.
Woo!
Yes, I did. And we are going to be testing out that cookie button. I got real excited when I seen a cookie button.
Yeah.
My grandbabies love some cookies. So,
Hitting one button to make some cookies.
yes, I am going to the app and I'm hitting Typhur Sync Oven. Set the oven and we go just hit cookies. Let's see what it does. Set. And it says 330 for 16 minutes. Let's see what it does.
Whoa.
Oh,
3:30 for
look at
16
there.
minutes, y'all.
Look at there. All right, I'm going to put the cookies in. And just hit start. And away she goes, y'all. So 16 minutes. And we're going to see what how these cookies turn out. All righty, y'all. Looky, looky. Nice little cookie. I'm a poet and didn't know it.
Right, you
Yes.
rhyming right on time.
I am. How about that?
Yeah.
Now, I will tell y'all, anybody that has watched me make cookies, I never go the full length, okay?
No.
I don't. I only went about 8 minutes on these, and they look fabulous. Now, if you want yours really crunchy or whatever, do the full ride, honey, for the cookie button. But I like mine a little soft, a little chewy, and look in here, Russell.
We're gonna do a pull apart test.
Yeah, this is how I like mine.
Yeah, they look pretty good.
Yes, and when they sit, honey, and won't cool off, they are perfect because they finish cooking a little bit when you get them out too. So, ready to taste it?
Oh, I'm ready. Dessert
All right.
time. Yep.
Let's do it. All right, y'all, tasting time.
Yeah, round two of the tasting time.
I've already tasted, so it's your turn.
It's hard to know which one to choose. It's really, really warm.
It is perfect.
Wow.
Mm-mm. Right.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my Lord, y'all.
8 minutes of goodness right there.
That's good. It's really
They are
good.
really good.
So your normal cook time's the same.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I normally go, about 8 minutes or so for like my
And-
chocolate chip cookies and all that. Mm-hmm. Sure do. But this was perfect. And like I said, it's all in how you like your cookies. If you want them to go a little longer, if you want them crispy, go to full ride, honey.
Hard to beat that warm, chewy.
Uh-huh.
I love oatmeal and raisin.
Me too. Me too.
It's hard to beat an oatmeal and raisin cookie. To me,
Yes.
it really is.
Mm-hmm. I still like the little Debbie oatmeal.
Oh, I do too.
Little oatmeal cakes. Honey.
The sink.
Yes.
Huh.
Y'all, we're very impressed.
It's hard to beat technology, really it is. She loves gadgets anyway,
Dude,
but that thing there,
it's too smart. I'm telling you.
it's amazing.
Smart.
It's really amazing. I mean, that's
Yes.
amazing. You can type in a recipe and it'll give it to you and send it to the appliance
And just cooks it for
and
you.
cooks it. And this thing here, you hit the button and it just does it.
It's just no fuss. No
I mean,
fuss,
that's
honey.
it's really. I mean,
Can't
I
get
don't
any
know what I
easier.
don't really know what to say other than it's amazing. It's amazing. It's an amazing
It
product.
really is. And for people that don't cook or don't know how to cook, honey, get
Yeah, it's
in
perfect.
on this. People's gonna think you're a genius.
Yeah.
This is cooked perfectly.
I don't know.
Oh my.
I can say all this stuff. I'm just gonna eat the cookie, y'all. That's all I can tell you.
It's
Just
really good.
look, go to Typhur, check out their products. They're fantastic. That oven is fantastic.
Typhur Sync Oven. And don't forget your little promo code Rhonda10. Get you a little discount, honey. We all like little discounts, don't we?
Yep, love it.
I look for promo codes on everything I buy. I'm like, hold up, don't order yet. So I hope y'all check this out. And special thanks to Typhur
Yes.
for letting us try it out, sending
Fantastic.
it to us. And yes, we sure do appreciate it.
Can't thank them enough.
No. And thank y'all for watching. And until next time.